Oh, okay. Oh, this one could be a good size. Yeah, this is a good size, guys. Wait. Pana. Baka maabot mo yung linya ko. Naku, inabot ko yata yung linya mo. Baka. Dito ka, Ray. Ray, angat ka. Kaya Gaprady po, tanggalin nyo ano. Okay. Iabot nyo sa akin ha. Guys, we got kingfish, guys.
Yeah, baby.
We got him on. That's right. Yes, sir. We're here fishing offshore, guys. And look at this guy chasing. Ryan, one down. Nakahuli ka na ng ganito? Wala pa? Ikaw kay Noel? Angel po, Angel. Tuturuan kita kung paano mahuli nito. Okay, come on, halika. Doon na sa anahan. Come here, Ryan. So Ryan, guys, he's a new katropa. Titingnan mo kung nasa yung isda. Kasi marami sila, diba? Pili mo yung malaki. Tingnan mo, Ryan, yan, pupuntahan ng malaki. Yan o, nakita mo, titingnan mo. Pag kita mo lamon niya ganoon, pakita mo lamon, pipitikin mo, boom, you got him. Oh. You got him. There you go, wait, hawak. Yeah, diretso yung rate, kaliwa yan. Diretso, sige diretso.
Wow, malaman.
Angat, ganda na, sa ganda.
Pala.
Okay, angat mo, tapos hawakan mo yung linya. There you go. First angel fish ni Ryan, guys. Harap dito, Ryan. Harap dito. Fish on.
Fish on.
There you go.
Yeah.
First one.
Nice.
First time ito nakahuli?
First time.
Ryan, ano yung nahuli mo?
Angel fish.
Yun o. Ikaw lang mismo nakahuli yan ha? Hindi kita tinulungan dyan.
First time.
Sabi mo, fish on, baby.
Fish on, baby.
Fish on. You know. Ryan, di mo yung malaki o. Inaasar ka.
Inaasar ako malaki.
Ayun guys, oh, lalaki oh. Anong huli mo dyan? Fish on?
Fish on.
Mukhang malaki yan, Ray ah. Ano yan? Blue? Sige, diretso reel. Ano yan? Oh, malaki boy. Pag nasa tapat na, hinto na.
Okay.
Okay, more pa? Alright, good. There you go. Bring it here. Laki-laki ito, Ray. Kuya, gusto mo mag-angel o red snapper muna? Tigain mo muna yan. There you go.
Oh, that's the biggest one.
That's the biggest one, yeah.
Oh, malaki ang kuya.
Kuya, oh, yung setup mo yung ginamit natin. Kuya, sa'yo to.
Oh, yeah?
Perfect po, mangrove. Guys, huli ni Ryan to, nilapag ko lang doon. Ryan! Big mangrove, baby! We'll take it! Guys, huli ni Ryan to, guys. Bro! Big mangrove, baby! Hawakan mo, Ryan. Hawakan dito, Ryan. Dito to. Pasok kong daliri lang. Huwag may pasok daliri mo sa bunga nga, matalim yung ngipin. Ihawak mo ito. Yan. Harap dito. Dalawa! Hindi ka na magkaan na o gaga dyan. First time ni Ryan mag-offshore, guys.
Nice.
Hindi na makaan na o gaga yo. Hirap ako dito, guys, hindi ko to rad. Hirap ako, guys, oh. Pero fish on na naman si Ryan, guys. Sorry, my words. Bro! Another one! Bro, mangrove everywhere, bro. Ah, we're not leaving here. We're staying here. Bro. Hey, if there's a little one mangrove, there's gotta be a big one. Bro, as soon as you drop, bro. Kuya Noel, sitapang kita. Bakit di ka nakakahuli eh? Sunod-sunod si Ryan. Kuya guys, diretso po. Ay, red snapper po yung huli nyo. There you go. Nilunok nyo.
Ilawin.
Wag, masyadong lit. Yun, huli ka. Huli ka, kanina ka pa, sabihin mo. Yung maliit ang nakahuli. Oh, no. Oy, pero good size na yan. Walang limit yan eh.
Angel fish.
Bakit dapat isa-isa lang? Bakit dalawa sa inyo?
Fish on.
Grabe laki po. Grabe laki tingnan nyo. Nasa harap natin.
Bawi lang.
Kanoel, tingnan dito. Fish on.
Fish on.
Guys, dalawa ang huli ni Kanoel. Huli ka. Yeah. What? What is that? Temo po, huli ko yung Remora. O ngayon, hindi ka naman ngayon babalik dito. Pustahan tayo. Temo, grabe po. Remora po, huli. Guys, huli natin Remora, guys. Guys, oh. Dalawa huli natin, guys. Nakita nyo? Indian cobia, guys. Remora yan. Baka mapagkamalan yung cobia. Hey, I got that thing that you like. Jose, I got him. What is that? Yeah, I got him too. Yeah, that's Remora, guys. Si Ryan dun, fish on din. Pakita Ray. You know? Ito guys, walang kwenta yan. Hindi na babalik yan kasi nahuli na, napitikan na natin. Si Kuya Noel, guys, nahilo na. Kuya Noel, nahilo ka na? Oh guys, timo. Huli ka. Just like that, guys. Huli guys, oh. Oh. Double natin, double. Double natin. Double na guys, double na. Ay wala, nakuha isa. Kala ko double guys eh. Pero ito guys, hindi natin kabisado yung reel na to. Guys, oh, yan, nagkasunuran pa oh. Ayan oh. Walang Diyo. Guys, manghuli tayo mangrove guys. Guys, we got mangrove guys. Yeah, that's a mangrove right there. Just like that guys. We got mangrove baby. This one could be snapper or mangrove snapper, but I guarantee you, oh shit me. It's a freaking mangrove red snapper. Bro! Why am I catching little one? Hey! Get out of my spot, bro! Oh, come on, man! I thought we were friends! Really? Yeah, there's a baby red snapper. Yeah. Yeah, we got him. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a mangrove baby. Tingnan nyo guys, ang dami isda guys oh. Oh, this is a big mangrove. Guys, this is a big mangrove guys. No, it's a red snapper. That was a mangrove guys. Oh man. That's a red snapper. I don't like this. I don't like it guys. No like it. Well, the good thing inshore guys, because we're not very far, we can keep 4. We're like under 9 miles. So look, this one is, it has to be 15 though. It's only that, this thing's only 12, so we're gonna throw it away. Ayun guys, oh, another oh, pakatamaan yung tingan nino.
Wow, ganda ng kulay, black.
Black na black eh. Nag-enjoy si Ryan manghuli ng ano eh. Yung ano, doon ko naman siya tinapon sa malayo. Kasi kanina doon tayo nakakahuli banda ron. Ngayon, dito puro red snapper dito na spot. Doon, tingnan natin kung ano yung mangrove. Yeah, I think doon nga mangrove guys. Yeah, andun nga yung mangrove. Andun nga sa kabila yung mangrove. Please be mangrove, please be mangrove. Ay, grabe dami po. Tingnan mo sa ilalim. Nagkasunudan. Opo, ang dami. Ay, andyan ang bluefish po. Andyan ang bluefish. Guys, mangulit ang bluefish guys. Snapper pa rin. Andyan yung bluefish sa ilalim guys. Para nag-fishing sa fish pan. Merong fish pan lang guys. Okay to. Let's see what you got here. Ay, ano ba yan? Yan ang yung target na species natin guys. You know. Hey bro. Hey baby. Hey. I got your spot bro. Bro, I don't like it. Pitik. Ay, hindi mo nakita kinagatang ka na?
Hinihintay ko din yung isang
para mag-double. Oh, red snapper pa rin. Ay grabe po ang kawan ng ano. Kawan ng ano yun sa ilalim. Grabe yung kawan ng ano, red snapper po sa ilalim. Sumusunod po, ay mangrove po sa taas oh. Ayun po, yun oh, mangrove tsaka red snapper naghahabulan sa taas. Nakikita nyo? Ibaba ko mo yung camera ko para makita natin. Damn it. This guy, I don't want this. You got it. Dalawa. You know. Baon ka ngayon. Yeah.
Fish on!
Fish on! Fish on! What you got here? Ay, red snapper pa rin? What the heck is going on here? I'm done with the red snapper, guys. Huli ka ngayon. So, double boy, double. Double again. Bring it. Oh, nakawaling isa boy. You're killing it, right? Si Ryan guys. Si Ryan lang sa kalam guys. Si Kuya Noel. Kuya Noel, chill muna ako. Nahilo si Kuya Noel guys. Fish on kami guys. Kaso nahilo na ang isa. Oh yeah, just like that. We got him on already. Ito guys, blue runner to. Guys, this is how you catch this blue runner guys. Watch. Ay, naputol po. Yeah, just like that guys. You don't need bait, you don't need anything. This thing. Oh, red snapper pa rin? Grabe red snapper ah. Pati ano si Vicky kinakagat? What the? There's a big one, Ryan. Yep, got him again. Man, as soon as you drop this thing. Don't tell me this one is red snapper again. Man, what the bro? Red snapper everywhere down there, bro. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What is going on here? The heck? Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Red snapper na naman to, guys. Man, look at this. Freaking snapper everywhere, bro. Grabe snapper guys.
Bro, open lang.
Ha? Pero palitan natin setup mo. Hindi ka nakakahuli. Palitan natin. Yun, pag-ilaw. Tingnan mo yung ano nyo. Tingnan siya, bloated na. Yeah, kasi bloated siya. Anong huli mo dyan, boss? Red snapper. Hawakan mo, boss, yan. You know. Bry, ano yan?
Yan, red snapper.
Red snapper, first. Pag kinilaw yan. Oh, we got him, boy. We got him on, baby. Yeah. This is a decent size. This one could be 15 and a half. Decent size, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Hayaan mo pag piniti ka. Hayaan mo lang. Ipalunok mo sa kanya. Kasi mahuhook lang yan sa sarili. Still there?
Yeah, still there.
Yeah? Oh, real. You got him. Yeah, you got him. Good job. Good. Let's go, Ray. Let's go, Ray. Bigger? Hey, hey. Alright, yeah, di ba masakit?
Masakit.
Yeah, yan ang problema dyan sa rod na yan. Oh, that's a good size. Oh, heck yeah.
Well, it's 16.
That's good. That could be 16 right there. Yeah, that could be 16. Yeah, that's 16 right there. Nagkatalo sa sit-up, ano?
Nagkatalo sa setup.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, this one could be a good size. Yeah, this is a good size, guys. It could be 16 and a half. Yeah, 16 and a half. Oh, mga 18 pa to. Ah, mga 16 lang. To guys, sigurado. Ready? Yeah, 16 and a half. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. 16 and a half. Guys, huli ni ano. Yeah, i-pinch mo. Dulo ang ano, ibaba mo. Ibaba mo siya, tapos pinch mo dulo. Ah, yeah.
Ano yan, gloves yan para pag nagpili ka.
Ito po. Ano to, asin?
Asin. Buhos na lang ano. Alat yan.
Saan po yung ano, kutsara?
Wala tayo makuha dito na napulapo na.
Wala, oh, ano yun, tag 300 miles na yun. Oh yeah, 16 and a half. Oh, 17. 7, we'll take it. 17. Guys, kain muna kami. Kain. Okay, nilaw lang guys in the house. Wala eh. Oh, pork chop. Saan ka pa? Made by ano to, kay Kuya. Kay Kuya Noel to. Pork chop pala guys, hindi mo na kailangan ng kanin. Oh, pork chop pa lang, ulam na. Tapos yung kinilaw pa. Yung kinilaw, tikman natin. Ang gawa nito si Kuya eh.
Ikaw na nga nagawa.
Ako naghiwa. Ay, sarap po eh.
Wala naman sa
Kinilaw. Ay, saan ka pa? Yes, oh. Oh, kain. Manganta yun. Wait pa na. Baka maabot mo yung linya ko. Naku, inabot ko yata yung linya mo. Iabot nyo sa akin ha. Guys, we got kingfish guys. We got him, Baba. Yeah. Akin na po yung gap, Kuya. Right? Pakiabot yung gap.
Ako po mag-ano.
Abot po sa akin. Akin na po.
Wow.
Got him.
Wow.
You got him, buddy.
Got him.
Yeah.
Grabe mo pitik. Tanggal good ba?
Yeah, buddy. Fish on. Hey, we got him, baby. Guys, one down. Okay, pahawakan niyo po, picturean ko kayo.
Malipong na.
Ito po, hawak.
Kaya basig na kabuhi na ha.
Hindi po. Shadow. Kuya, hawak. Dali, picturean kita kay remembrance mo to. Dito.
Izon.
Okay. Wala pa, picture ito kuya. Anong huli mo kuya?
Kingfish.
Bigari mo.
Izon.
Magpicturean kayong dalawa habang picturean. Sige, Ryan naman po. Tapos ikaw magpicture kuya.
Okay.
Uwi na kami guys. Here's your way. Pagod? Kaya, uwi na?